asalaamaaleykum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakaatuhu mbokk yi ñoo ngi leen di ziyaara bu baax a baax ñu ngi ci waajtaayu màggal gi ba tey ànd ceeg jëwriñ ju tedd ji di Serigne Babacar waaye dañoo bëggoon tamit maanaam mu xaw a am lu muy leeral ci Serigne Touba am lu mu ci leeral rek ci beneen kàllaama muy ci kàllaamu boo xamante ni moom mooy langue internationale di langue anglais te lii nag dafa nekk loo xamante ni ñëpp koy suivre kon dañoo bëgg daal mu gannaaw bi mu nuyoo rek Serigne Babacar bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, dear brothers and sisters. I just want to give you my greatest and the Muslims' greatest with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'm here in Tuba, and we were here also for preparing the big of Magal of Sayyid Ahmad Bamba Hadim Rasul. So I think that you see the lot of people who are here in this town. I can't say in this country, because Tuba is not a town for me, it is a country. Because Ahmad Bamba worked very hard, that's why we have this kind of things here around the world. And it will be very difficult for me to speak something in Ahmad Bamba, because I'm a little boy about this thing that he would like that I talk. So, and I know that he was someone who is very, very excellent. He was working very hard for us Muslims, for the world, for all of the world. I'm telling to you, for all of the world. See, Ahmad Bamba was here for not the Muslim, but he was here for all of the world, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, and something else. He was here for us, and whenever he come back, whenever he did all of this work, whenever he come back, we see the result. We were here, and Ahmad Bamba help us. We will go, all of us will go in the paradise, because we love Ahmad Bamba. In one of Hasidah, I think that it's Wakan Hakan, Ahmad Bamba said over there, I'm telling to you that Ahmad Bamba who said over there that all of person who love him, whenever he die, he go in the paradise. You get me? That's mean this verb, this phrase in Wakana Hakan. So just want to say Ahmad Bamba is someone who is, and anybody knows Ahmad Bamba. Me, I don't know Ahmad Bamba. Anybody else knows Ahmad Bamba, because he was very, very, very excellent. Only God and the Prophet know Ahmad Bamba. But me, I don't know anything about him, because he was very excellent. Just, I would like to tell you, Sri Ahmad Bamba, thank you for giving me the follower to speak something about Ahmad Bamba, because I know that, so I can't talk anything about him, because I'm a little about Ahmad Bamba. So just giving you the floor and talk to you. Thank you again. I'm very glad. But you have to work hard. Whenever you are Muslim or whenever you are a person, you have to work hard. Because where there is a will, there is a way. You have to work hard whenever you would like to be someone. And what is at the time to be able at any moment to sacrifice what you work for, what you will become. If you want to be good tomorrow, you have to fight very, very hard at this time being. Give your life to Ahmad Bamba. Give your youngness to Ahmad Bamba. And tomorrow, whenever you go back, Ahmad Bamba will give you something that you will use it for. You will helping your parents. You will helping your child, your son, your daughter, and all of your family. I'm telling to you, because only Ahmad Bamba can do it. Thank you, Ahmad Bamba.
Thank you. Kon jërë ngeen jëf ni ngeen ko déggee ñu ngi koy jaajëfal baax a baax di Serigne Babacar. Kon defe naa tey monde bi yëpp wax nañ ci Serigne Touba ci langage boo xamante ni képp ku ko dégg da nga xam kan mooy Cheikhul Khadim. Kon Serigne Babacar ñu ngi lay jaajëfal.
Thank you, Ahmad Bamba. I'm very glad to be here, and I'm very proud of all of you. Thank you again.
jërë ngeen jëf.